Transferring status. The transferring status feature helps track the current status of a vehicle during the transfer process. It ensures real-time monitoring without displaying past or future updates. Users can view the status but cannot manually update or change it. 2. Searching for a vehicle transfer. To check the status of a vehicle transfer, use the search filters to find a specific vehicle transfer based on vehicle code, unique identifier for the vehicle. The system will display the results based on your search criteria. 3. Understanding the transferring status table. Once the search is performed, the system will display the current vehicle transfer details in a table format with the following columns. The table only shows the current status of the transfer. Users can track but cannot change or update the status. Practical example: vehicle transfer process. Vehicle transfer list. Scenario: the transport manager at Branch A, Chennai, initiates a transfer request for vehicle number V1. Branch B, Bangalore. Current status: pending approval. Approval to transfer. The regional manager reviews the transfer request. After verifying the destination branch and transfer reason, the request is approved. Updated status: approved. Vehicle receiving. The vehicle arrives at Branch B, Bangalore. The receiving officer inspects and marks the vehicle as received in the system. Updated status: received. Transferring status. While the vehicle is moving, the system updates the status dynamically. Users can only view the current status but cannot modify it. Current status: transferring, automatically updated. Vehicle costing report. Vehicle costing report. This system allows us to track diesel consumption, monitor costs, and analyze vehicle performance. By the end of this session, you will be able to search and filter vehicle costing details. View and analyze vehicle diesel consumption. Understand the key metrics in the report. Select vehicle type, choose either own, company-owned vehicles. Hire, hired vehicles. Select branch, choose the branch where the vehicle is located. Enter search criteria. Vehicle code. Vehicle number. Each record in the table provides the following details. Branch, the branch where the vehicle is assigned. Vehicle code, a unique identifier for each vehicle. Vehicle number, the registered vehicle number. Date, the date when the costing data was recorded. Vehicle name, name or model of the vehicle. Vehicle type, indicates if the vehicle is owned or hired. Viewing detailed costing data. Click on the vehicle code in the results table to open the Own or Hire Vehicle Costing Report page. Analyzing the Own or Hire Vehicle Costing Report page. Understanding key costing fields. Once on the Own or Hire Vehicle Costing Report page, you will see the following fields. From date and to date, define the period for which the data is being displayed. Vehicle code, unique code assigned to the vehicle. Starting date, the date when fuel consumption tracking begins. Number of loads, the number of loads transported by the vehicle. Diesel rate, price of diesel per liter or gallon. Diesel cost per cubic meter, cost of diesel per cubic meter of fuel consumed. Total cost per cubic meter, the total diesel cost per cubic meter, based on rate and consumption. Number of hours, total number of hours the vehicle was in operation. Diesel quantity, the amount of diesel consumed. Diesel consumption, overall fuel consumption data. Click the back button to return to the vehicle diesel consumption list page. Practical application. Identifying high fuel consumption vehicles. Scenario: a fleet manager notices that one vehicle is consuming significantly more diesel than others. Open the vehicle costing report. Filter by vehicle number to locate the specific vehicle. Compare the diesel quantity and number of hours with other similar vehicles. If fuel consumption is abnormally high, recommend vehicle maintenance or performance checks. Vehicle sale and scrap. The vehicle sale and scrap feature allows users to track vehicles that have been either sold or scrapped. It ensures accurate record keeping, making it easy to monitor vehicle sales and disposals. The vehicle sale and scrap list page will display a table with the following columns. Branch code identifies the branch where the vehicle is registered. Vehicle code, a unique identifier for each vehicle. Vehicle name, the name or description of the vehicle. Vehicle number, the vehicle's registration or license plate number. Details, a clickable button to view full vehicle details. Sale or scrap, indicates whether the vehicle has been sold or scrapped. Viewing vehicle details. On the vehicle sale and scrap list page, find the vehicle you want to view. Click the Details button next to the vehicle entry. A detailed page will open, showing the vehicle's history, specifications, and sale/scrap information. Updating sale or scrap status. Click on the Sale or Scrap field. Choose either. Sold, if the vehicle has been sold. Scrap, if the vehicle has been scrapped. Enter the required details in the form. Sold/scrap date, enter the exact date of sale or scrapping. Vehicle code, this field is non-editable and is auto-filled. Vehicle name, this field is non-editable and is auto-filled. Vehicle type, this field is non-editable and is auto-filled. Sold/scrap from branch, this field is non-editable and is auto-filled. Sold or scrap, choose between sold or scrap. Sold by, enter the full name of the person responsible for the sale. Approved by, enter the approver's name for confirmation. Sold price, input the sale amount, if applicable. Party name, enter the name of the buyer, if applicable. Broker name, if any, enter the broker's name, optional. Click Save to update the status. For scrapped vehicles, click on the Sale or Scrap field and select Scrap. Enter the following details. Scrap date, enter the exact date when the vehicle was scrapped. Vehicle code, this field is non-editable and auto-filled. Vehicle name. Vehicle type. Scrap from branch, those field is non-editable and auto-filled. Scrap by, enter the full name of the person responsible for scrapping the vehicle. Approved by, enter the approver's name to confirm authorization. Remarks, add any additional notes about the scrapping process. Click Submit to finalize the scrapping process. Only authorized users can update the sale/scrap status. Ensure the approver's name is entered correctly to confirm authorization. Use the Remarks field to provide any extra details about why the vehicle is being scrapped. Always verify vehicle details before marking them as sold or scrapped. Use the Details button to cross-check vehicle history before making any updates. If the vehicle is already sold, it shows alert as already sold. Otherwise, it will show the message as vehicle is sold.